if they have been cheating you all this long. And they know that. And nobody has ever disclosed this to you. What makes you think that right now President William Samoei Arap Ruto is not going to plan another lie? Who cheats you think that they cannot still plan another scam? Who tells you that? These MPs, these senators, these governors, these MCAs, who tells you that they are not going to lie to you anymore? Gen Zs, comrades, millennials, listen. If we keep quiet and allow our babas and our mamas to represent us, right now, as you see, they're waking up. Now they have started talking, advising Mr. President, go back to Karen Church where you planted your altar, go back and sanitize the altar, submit to the altars. We don't know the kind of altars they used to plant during that night. So what, if we leave this battle to our babas, our mamas, to start talking, and even other political leaders to start spearing this thing ahead, trust me, we are going to fail. The same song is going to be sung. So that means we need to use this moment to make sure there is a completion in what we started. We need good governance. We need good representation. We need the Constitution to be respected as much as to be implemented, the voice of the people to be heard, yes, and no extra offices are supposed to be created for the interest of the minority. So, Sisi, as the majority, we have to stand to make sure that no stone is left unturned. Mark my words.